Hey guys, this is Pranita Reddy from Informatica Support. Today in this video, we will learn how to publish CAI assets using REST API. The agenda of this video would be introduction, basic idea on how to publish CAI assets using REST API, a quick demo from Postman, and summary. So IICS provides you with a REST API to publish CAI assets, same like you publish task flows in CDI. You need to do a post call, that is a login call to IICS org, providing your username and password. And in the response of the request, API request, you get a session ID which will be used in the next call. To publish CI assets, you need a post call providing the body, the raw body, providing the path of the asset, the name of the asset, and the type of activity that you are doing, all that in the body. And in the headers, you would just need to pass a session ID which you got from the response of the login call. And to check the status if the publish is successful or not, you can use a get API by just using a job ID that you get from the response of the post call, that is the previous post call, which is publish call. We'll quickly move into the demo from Postman on how to publish and unpublish CI assets. Basically, first here you need to do a login call. I'm doing a v3 login call, and in the response I get a session ID and a base API URL. Publish CI assets, this is the API, this is the API you need to active people asset v1 publish, and a base API URL in the beginning. And the base API URL you can get it from the login call, that is this one. But if you observe, the only difference here is you have na1.dmus, but in the publish call you need to specify na1.ai.dm because AI stands for application integration, and for CDI you just can leave it as na1.dm. And one more thing is, in the base API URL, you have /sas that should not be provided in the call here. It just should be appended with active BPL asset v1 publish. And in the body, we will just provide a raw body that is type publish and the asset path of the asset that you are required to publish in IICS org. So this is a explore is a default by you have it, and this is a project name, this is a folder name, and this is a process name. If it is a process, you append it with dot process. If it is a service connector, it's dot service connector. If it is application connection, it is AI connector, and so on. In the header, you just need to pass the infa session ID here and do a post call. If you get the status as 202 accepted, that means the request has been accepted for processing, but the processing is still taking time. That is, the request is sent, which is valid, but the activity is still in progress. You can once check for the status by taking the job ID from the response call of the publish and do a get call. One more thing, you have to change this as well. Okay, this says it's in progress. We can wait for a while and check. Now it shows a success. We'll quickly validate the same from IICS org. Just log into your IICS org, go to that particular process, validation in progress, and just check. So now it is published. Okay. We will do one thing. We're using the same REST APIs. We will try unpublishing the same process. We will go back to Postman, go to unpublish call. Okay, just change the session ID as required. In the body, I'm just specifying unpublish in the request ID and type as unpublish, and just doing a post call. Same, I got 202 accepted. I just take the job ID, go to the status, check for the status, and send the request. It says it's still in progress. You can just give it some time for it to complete. And for status call, you will get 200 OK because there is no activity that you're doing. You're just getting the information. So now if you see it is success, we can go to IICS to check the status. Let's go here, click on this. Just click on property details. And here you see it's unpublished. Okay. If you would like to do multiple publishes or multiple asset publishes in a single call, you can just append it with comma and give the same path as whatever you gave it here. And this is how it works. And it is not like you only have to do all process publishes in a single attempt. You can do a combination of processes, connectors, guides, everything. And a detailed document will be provided in the below description. You can refer to the same. You can follow this KB article and documentation, which will be posted in the description as well. And we would love to hear feedback from you. Please reach out to us on the below mentioned links. Thank you. Hope this video helped.